I wanted to shoot this video to reach out to you guys and thank you for opting into my email list and taking this journey with you. Some of you may and some of you may not have gotten started yet, but I just wanted to let you get to know me and what's been going on and why an online business and my why for an online business and what it's done for me the last few months. Back in June, we found out that we were expecting. So our family of four, we found out that we were going to be having a new addition. And for a couple of weeks after finding out we were expecting, my wife had severe morning sickness. Couldn't keep anything down, food or liquids. So much so to the point where we had to make an emergency room trip where they got her some nausea meds and got her an IV. We were just there overnight and went to see our OB the upcoming week. And we found out the extreme nausea was due to the fact that it wasn't just one, but twins we were expecting. So she had super bad sickness. I guess when you're expecting twins, that can happen. But after finding that out, it continued like for 30 straight days after that. She couldn't keep solids or liquids down, losing weight like crazy. So she finally got admitted to the hospital. And while online business and getting her situated and not knowing that it was going to end up being almost a month-long hospital stay, for the first 2 to 3 days, I was able to be there with her around the clock because of my online business. Because of learning these skills to master a 2-hour workday, I had 22 hours of the day that I was able to have free to focus on her health, and her getting better. Able to do it around her schedule. 30 minutes here while she was napping, 30 minutes there while the doctors were checking on her, an hour here while she was sleeping overnight. And when I got that activity done, my automations continued to work for me. So much so it blew my mind. In the first 36 hours of her hospital stay, I was able to make $2,100, guys. And that was amazing to me because I didn't have to call into work or worry about calling off work to make sure that my family was okay. And at the end of her hospital stay, unfortunately, we lost one of the twins. And that took us through a whole bunch of gambit of emotions here these last few months. But again, why online business? It allowed me the space to be able to sort through that with myself and be there for my wife and family and not have to worry about being at work and putting work first, seeing that we had my wife being sick and all, and then suffered a loss. I know jobs only give you 3-4 days bereavement to get over, the loss of a loved one. So this provided me the opportunity to take the time we needed and not have the financial pressure of having to rush back to work and be in fear of losing my job or my income. Why an online business? While this has been going on the last couple of months, the summer I've been able to average between $4,000 and $5,000 a month through this automated online business passively, mastering a 2-hour workday again, where the other 22 hours a day, the business was out there working for me so I could be present, right, for my wife and my kids. It afforded me the opportunity to be able to have my other 2 daughters with me and not have to worry about daycare or somebody to watch them, because the business allowed me the freedom to be able to still do my income producing activity in the 2 hours and still make sure they're taken care of. So I just wanted you guys to get to know me a little bit more in real life, see that I'm a regular guy and life is lifing right now, but an online business has helped me get through. So I just reach out to you to ask you, why did you hop on my email list? And what questions do you have? And reply back to this email with them so you can get started with something like this. I'll be around all weekend to answer your questions. Talk soon.